Good afternoon, traders. Welcome to NinjaTrader Live. I'm Tracy Shuchart, senior economist, and here's what happened while we were away. Obviously, everybody heard the Iran and the U.S., according to Axios, other news agencies are now reporting it as well, have reached a tentative deal to extend the ceasefire and work towards an agreement to end the war. The accord is for a 60-day extension of the truce that's been in place already since April, and for negotiations to restart on Iran's nuclear program. The MOU would state that shipping through the Strait of Hormuz would be unrestricted, and Iran would be required to remove all of the mines from the strait in 30 days. Now, Trump said that he needed a couple of days to think about the deal, and then we heard from I-24 News that Khamenei did not approve of the agreement, and this is perhaps one of the reasons Trump did not say yes, in fact. Obviously, markets moved on it. It sounds like a deal. It's really just an extension of the deal, so it's not really a deal. But nonetheless, we saw equities move on. That dollar fell, gold higher, oil lower, yields lower. That said, the betting markets are not buying it. They still think that there's roughly 55% chance the two countries will reach a deal by November. Odds that a deal is set before October are at 49% and before December at 55%. Those odds did not move on the deal, which is not a deal. It's just to extend the deal, the ceasefire agreement that's already in place. So there you have it. Markets got all excited on the headline. Moving on, 7-year auction went well today. Sales stopped at 4.29%, highest since January 2025, but did not tell. Bid to cover 2.52, in line with the 1-year average. Indirect 78.4%, highest since December 2024, and dealers 10.4%, in line with the 1-year average. Anthropic is rolling out a new updated version of its most powerful AI model, barely a month after the prior release. The model will be called Opus 4.8 and is better at carrying out coding tasks on behalf of users, as well as financial analysis and tasks that mimic human process of reasoning, the company said. We had Freddie Mac reporting mortgage rates today. They are up once again. Average rate for 30-year fixed loans ticked up to 6.53% from 6.51%. That followed an increase last week that was the biggest jump since March. Americans' savings rate falls to the lowest since 2022. Americans are saving less as the everyday cost of living rises and wages struggle to keep up. The personal savings rate, defined as the share of income Americans have after taxes and expenses, hit 2.6% in April, according to the data from the Bureau of Economic Analysis that was just released this afternoon. That's down from 3.2% in March and 5.8% a year prior. Inflation is hitting people's pocketbooks, guys, and more probably to come. And then we have drone stocks surging Thursday on a report that the Trump administration is in talk to fund several companies. The Pentagon apparently has held months of discussions with a group of drone companies about potential funding deals. The deals would include equity stakes and give the federal government some ownership. This was reported by the Wall Street Journal. We had shares of Unusual Machines surging more than 65% after the Journal reported it, and shares of other drone makers. We had Kratos Defense and AeroVironment jumped 15 and 18% respectively. And with that, I will hand it to Jim for an Edge report.
Thank you, Tracy. Well, let's take a look at the mighty Russell. We haven't talked about that all day. Now, the Russell, this is a daily candle chart I have up on the screen. Hasn't made, yesterday was all-time high, not today, but today's green day almost. It's trying to get back up to that target, and we'll see what happens. The moving averages are kind of sloping up nicely so far. The price is respecting the 8 EMA. That's my yellow line up there at the top of those moving averages. The second one's a 21 EMA, and the last one is 50. And a couple of areas of interest here. We have this really nice double bottom support right here. The first time we tapped my rectangle, that was at the end of April. The second time we tapped it again in the middle of May. Now, we didn't close below it. The candles didn't close above it, below it. We bounced off, and we continued our rally. So that's kind of a good baseline support level there as well. Also kind of lines up nicely with the way that I have my extensions positioned on the chart. Now, this old area of resistance, forget about that. That's long past. RSI is, sneaking up to 70. But the only, the way I do have a fib extension here that I just wanted to add. We do have a triple bottom. It takes 3 points. This isn't the smoothest extension. I think the ones in the S&P and the NASDAQ are better, but it's good enough for estimate work. And really, the key is way up here, believe it or not. The 127.2 is the ultimate extension. Everyone would be excited with the 3262 spot 5 print. Far away, I get it. Got the 100% at 3147.9, a little bit closer and doable. We'll see if this thing continues. It'll probably it won't appreciate as much as some of the other stock index features that are appreciating because of the fact that they're small cap stocks and they're going to be more sensitive to interest rates and stuff like that. But needless to say, making some new ground here. Intraday, a really kind of, again, double distribution on the volume profile. We're seeing that all over the place today. This bottom, the official value area is actually way south of where we're trading right now. And we kind of lost that in the rearview mirror at 11 o'clock this morning. Haven't seen prices anywhere near there. We have a single break of the IB right above the pivot there. And that daily pivot is at 29.31, spot 5. I'm rounding up a little bit. Nice continuation. Didn't quite get to that call resistance level, that 0DT or R1 level, but there's a whole bunch of interest right here, right? We have the call resistance, we have the gamma levels here, the call resistance, the 0DTEs, the R1 is right there. Previous sessions highs are right there. So there's 3 areas of interest up there as well. Now, right now, they're resistance, but sometimes those resistance can act like a magnet. And Chris talked about it yesterday during his Develop the Edge segment, which is awesome. By the way, go back and read that, listen to that. In any event, I did add I have the 9 simple now, and I have the 20, that's that blue line, the 20 EMA on my screen now. I'm tracking that forever from now on. Thank you, Chris. Anyway, we had a little bit of a retracement, not much to write home about. Didn't quite get to the 20, but could have been a good signal as we're trying to make new highs on the day. I have the CCI at the bottom here. I don't see much divergence on the CCI with the Russell chart right now. So pretty much tracking stock index futures in general. So we'll keep an eye on that. But there are some targets there on the upside. Just saying. Let's go to the Bitcoin, though. The Bitcoin is not quite as fortunate. The Bitcoin is having some trouble. Let's take a peek. We talked about this morning, and not that much has changed from this morning till now, but we still have the support area that we just blew through yesterday, closed above it. Today, we're going to close above it again. We're retracing back to that 50%. Didn't get quite to that 61.8%, but that's going to be a target, 72,015. You could round it down to 72,000. That would be the difference between sideways, retracement, and bullish market. So we'll see. Where can we go? Well, we have these lows all the way back here from the end of March, approximately 66,000, and below that we have a longer term area of support down at 63,000. RSI, now here's the interesting part. It's sloping down nicely, right? It's telling us the momentum and the trend to the downside. We're not even to 30 yet. We're only halfway. But don't forget, we started all the way up above at 70. So it's been a nice, steady Freddy slide down. It's not like these caustic, news-driven candles we're seeing every day, although there's some on intraday. Let's check that out. Here's the chart today. And this is not reacting as a risk on or risk off asset. I don't know what kind of asset it is right now. And it's reacting less to the news cycle than some of the other markets related to crude oil. Right now, we did have, rather kind of exaggerated initial balance, not anything out of the ordinary, though. And that pretty much frames the conversation of the value area, right? We have the value area low at 72,890, and then the high is 640. So that's kind of the main part. We just broke out recently. We have an IB breakout to the upside. We're hitting S2 exactly, and then next step up would be S1 and the previous session's lows. Alternatively, I am looking for a reversion back to the mean here. We'll see if we can get back down to that VWAP, which is actually crossing right now with the 20 EMA. So a little bit surprised we're getting any lift whatsoever on the Bitcoin, but we'll take what we can take. So we'll see how it goes. That's this afternoon's Edge Report. We are ready to trade the close. And today, we don't just have one trader trading the close. We don't have two. We don't have three. We have four traders with us trading the close today. We have Leo the Big Cat, XYZ, aka Jay, Nick for a tick, and Christian trading boxes. Good afternoon, gentlemen.
I didn't even know Nick was here.
You didn't hear me yelling about Snowflake in the back room for like 5 minutes?
Oh, yeah, I did, actually.
That was me
There's
yelling.
snowflakes in Texas?
There were snowflakes all over the country, apparally, after their earnings.
It's been a long week, Nick. I'm sorry. I love you.
It really has. It's Thursday. It feels like it's next Tuesday already.
I text somebody and I was like, hey, I need to get on a call with you. Is today, tomorrow, or Friday okay? And he was like, tomorrow is Friday, Leo.
I don't know what to do.
I'm never moving again. This is all because of this stupid move. Anyways, good morning, good afternoon.
Hi, chat.
Good morning.
Oh my goodness. Let's go around the horn here. See what you guys. I mean, it's a shortened week. It's already Thursday. We already had a core PCE come in, however it came in. What do we have to look forward to this afternoon, Leo? You start.
It's all-time highs, and I hate trading all-time highs. I came on and I was like, what are we going to do today? So I don't know, maybe gathering around CL, gold, and other markets and see what's going on out there.
All right, that makes sense. XYZ, what are you thinking?
I think they still want to trade these highs and probably higher in the indexes. Gold is, I really don't know if they're gonna make any more moves into the close after this. So it's a bunch of nothing for me is what it looks like, because there's no excess up here. So yeah, I think it's longs or nothing, but I don't think I want to. I don't know. We're gonna see. I don't know where I can even try to catch along at this point. It's like Leo said, it's all-time highs.
Yeah, my guy Stowe just sent me a text. He's going long. So.
Oh, then we should all get short.
Nick, what do you think of it?
Yeah, I'm short.
Oh, there's the short.
I hate it. I took a paper cut already trying to do this. I was long earlier today, and I just, for some reason, just can never think this is going to continue, these stupid just drift up days. So I cover it for 20 points, 30 points, whatever, full size, and just kind of be like, all right, I'm going to go on with my life. And yet we continue to drift upwards, and I paper hand decent entries. So then we come on the show and we start fading things, which is a fool strategy. So we'll see. Yeah, if this continues, Jim, I'm gonna start trading gold and oil or something, because I can't I can't do this anymore. I mean, we rallied off another deal headline, allegedly, apparently, maybe.
Yeah.
I don't know. We'll see if it's true. We'll see if it's fake news. So as long as that continues into the summer, I'm getting less and less interested trading with equities.
Yeah, well, I hear you. Well, Trump's considering he needs a couple days to think about the final deal. So we'll see how that goes. Christian, what are you thinking, man? Thank you for yesterday, by the way. It was awesome. If you guys didn't get a chance, anyone listening to me right now, go back tomorrow. It's recorded on the channel. Chris did a great Develop Your Edge episode. with us today and spent a whole hour, took questions from the crowd. It was awesome. Thanks for doing that, Chris.
No problem. Well, I love all-time highs, unlike these guys and equities. I'm just buying every pullback, probably for the last few weeks. For today, I am already long and into my last runners from my morning long. But my idea here for NQ is that if we can hold here to create sort of like an hourly higher low, because we have seen just multiple green hourly candles, the 9MA is pushing up. So based on our discussion from yesterday, we found a high, and now we're pulling back to seek a higher low. If a higher low holds on a retracement, then I think similar with XY that we can push out higher, take out all-time highs in NQ, and continue to close the month up here. If we fail the breakout that we recently had around the 120s, 140s zone, then we can go back into the range. Maybe we can move back down into that bull bear zone here at 980s, 30,000 sort of area. But until that happens, there's no confirmation. All we're doing here is consolidating, correcting through time. And if we can hold this into the close, I might trade my other account for an additional long into the close. But for now, I'm just going to be trailing the original long that I have.
All right. Very awesome. And I am so attuned to what you just said because of yesterday. So, folks, I'm telling you, go back and listen to that. In any event, I appreciate everybody being here today. Thank you for subscribing to the channel. Thank you for the thumbs up. Thank you for everything. Best online trading community there is. End of story. Having said that, I'm going to dip in the chat. Wish you guys the best of all possible luck on your trades.
Thank you, Jim.
See you, Jim.
Take care. Hello, Phyllis.
Hello.
Hello, Chris. My mortal enemy.
3 of you, 1 of me. What will happen?
Wait, what?
What?
What'd you say?
I'm an order flow trader today. I'm one of you guys.
Today?
The ones and the zeros, yeah.
Yeah.
What do you mean today? You've been.
Secretly, I'm a secretly order flow trader. My class yesterday was
All
hidden
flow.
drawings of order flow in the DOM, the 1s and 2s.
Well, best we can do now is hope that Nick gets paid on that short.
Are you kidding? Come on. The second
Because that
we get
means
to,
maybe we
to,
can get long.
Nick,
The
you
second-
probably had a really good entry on your long, huh?
I was long, like where I got short yesterday, like the 120s, and covered it. Like after we got the push above previous day high, so I got like 80 points, I think, ish on it on the runner, and I just closed it. I was kind of done. I started trailing it aggressively above the IB high, and I got tagged. So, but yeah, that was fun. Unfortunately, missed out on the other 100 and so points that came along with it. Did you see? I've learned this from the trading space now. Apparently, we're now gatekeeping trading at all-time highs. If you bitch about it, you haven't been in the game long enough to prove
I
that
love
you're
that.
a good trader. The only ones that are complaining about it are the ones who are unprofitable, newer traders. This
love
is the
it.
new gatekeeping on FinTwit is this, by the way. So
Wait,
as much as I'm going to continue to probably complain
Repeat
about
that.
it.
I want to hear it. Say what now?
So the old guard, whatever you want to call these individuals, these OG traders in FinTwit out there in the space, or in the course selling / Discord world, whatever they are, whoever they are, their new hot take is that if you complain about trading all-time highs, you are either a newer trader, B, a unprofitable trader, or C, do not have a good strategy. Missing from that equation is people that have to sit and give commentary day to day on the second by second movement of said trades publicly, as well as, just anybody that apparently likes volatility as day traders. If you like volatility, you're also apparently falling into the
That's one
the
of those
world.
hot takes that's like a wet fart. You should just never trust it. It should just
I
never
mean,
come out.
hey man, I don't make the rules. I read what I read. The algo shows me what apparently it needs to show me. But yeah, if you complain about it, you are not a good trader.
That's so
Yeah, I see that
funny.
often, actually. Not even just like all-time highs, but just anything. It could be anything. It could be volatility, it could be contraction, chop. There's always gonna be the oh, 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 you hate this? It's because you're a
Oh,
noob.
you're a shitty trader.
Yeah.
You can
And it's
equally
always gonna
do
be like
You
whatever
hate
price
trend
action.
days. Joke's
There's gonna
on you.
be
Trend days are the best.
there's
Yeah,
gonna be
always.
survivorship bias, right? In every market environment, good or bad, there are gonna be the people who are like, I hate this. And then the winners are like, you hate it? It couldn't be me. Look at all this money I'm
Yeah.
making. It's so easy.
These do not need to be mutually exclusive attributes for traders. For example, I have the receipts of every pre-market brief that I've written since the last 2 months that I started doing this. And just about every single one where I mention we are trading at all-time highs, I'm complaining about it. Yet here we are.
Are you
I'm
complaining
still,
about
I'm
it,
still,
Nick, or is Claude?
I'm complaining about it. And then I'm putting notes that, or the thesis and plan is still find structure of lower prices to get long. That has been the plan pretty much since then. Yet I apparently am not a good trader. So
Jokes on them. I hate the market in general. See, you're a seasoned vet. That's how you know, Mr. Josh. Oh yeah, and then there's the efficient market people. Like you can't make money just day trading futures. It's literally not possible. It's too efficient. And here I sit doing exactly that. There's always going to be something. Also, I think there is a direct inverse correlation, and you guys probably would agree with this. The amount of tweets per day that someone spits out is directly inversely correlated to how much trading they actually do, right? The traders you
Which is why
see
I haven't tweeted
always
shit in
trading,
6 months, a
they
year.
just don't tweet. Yeah,
Yeah, and you
like
have all the R's.
yeah, you just don't see them tweet. I don't remember my last tweet. I don't know. Like I'm trading, right? But there are people who are tweeting all day, everything about the market. It could be like, oh, macro says this. In my experience, it's this. I've been doing this for X amount of years. I've this, I've that. The market's this. It's like, are you even trading? Because I cannot tweet and trade. I can't even tweet a trade that I'm currently in. The only time I can show it is when I'm down to runners. Like, how are you finding the time to tweet the trade while you're trying to get into the trade or in the trade? It just don't make sense. So you guys can see it in here, right? Like the people on NT Live, you're not seeing them fire tweets a million times a day, all about everything market related in every market. They've always got something to say. Always got something to say about the market and this and their experience, but not a single piece of execution to go with those 30 tweets they've made in a day.
Haters will say it's fake.
Yes.
They just need more R's. Right, Chris?
Yep.
I mean, Chris has all
Listen.
the R's for every trader in the space. Chris has more R's than every trader out there.
Make the R's, and like Leo, you won't have to post anything on X.
I mean, you actually have 3 R's in your name.
Have 3 R's where?
In your name.
In your name.
Yeah,
You
I
need
was
3
gonna say
more.
Chris is the only one that actually has an R in his name. So
Oh yeah.
He needs 3 more.
There is an R in
Or
mine.
6.
Okay.
Nah, that's your fake name.
yeah, there
That's your
is
fake
not.
name. Forget it. Chris needs a Team Rocket costume with the big R
Oh
on his
my
chest.
God. All right. Well, I set up a chart for CL. Don't see like a
What
great
does CL even look like today? Let's see.
trade
I
here.
haven't looked at CL in so long.
Obviously, this news move looks hilarious. And then GC is just chilling at the highs. I mean,
Oh,
it's like really
CL.
nothing's happened since the close, the pit close, the official close.
CL just fell off a cliff for 5 whole minutes, huh?
Mm-hmm. Literally. And we're just
That was peace
consolidating
talks.
here.
Was that peace talks?
Oh, what?
Was it peace talks? I assume everything is peace talks.
Yeah.
Peace talks or potential drafting of peace talks.
The war's back on, the war's off.
Peace talks, but this time we're not using AI to draft it.
I think the guys that are gatekeeping trading at all-time highs, though, they use AI to draft a lot of their tweets.
AI is so powerful that you just gotta assume everything's AI. Yeah, gold maybe a short if they're trading in the 45-20s, 100. But everything's just at the highs. I fear for your short. Aggressive ceasefire talks. Ceasefire talks or else.
Leo, you said you moved?
Yeah.
You still in Oklahoma or
Yeah.
Texas?
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
You're still in that state?
We moved 5 minutes away, Chris.
Oh, okay. So you're closer to Nick.
I'm not any closer to Nick than I was previously.
Well, you're
Yeah,
5 minute,
mm.
5 minutes.
We're
Possibly
5 minutes
5 minutes.
away from our old house.
Oh, here's a question. Gentlemen, can you explain why you have two volume profiles in the chart?
Oh, that sounds
One
like a
is not
great question
enough.
for you, XY.
I only have one. You guys have two.
Leo,
But
that
you
sounds
know
like
the
a great,
answer.
that sounds like a great question for you since you're releasing.
You
the
read
second
the
volume
questions.
profile.
You
One
answered
is
the question.
all day RTH volume profile, and one is leg to leg. I don't know what their settings are, but my settings would be about maybe 50 points. So it resets every 50-point rotation. For me, I don't know what their settings are, but it's one is a leg to leg, measures rotations. Where do you look to get involved? I mean, if I think the market's going to continue up, I'm going to just check the nodes right as we're building. Uh, do they hold the LVN? If I think they will, I'll buy that. If you want to get short, you gotta wait for them to lose one. Do or die for yeah, I don't know. OKC's too deep. They have like 12 actual playable players, so it's a little difficult.
No, Rick. That's actually wrong. It's their job to answer the questions now, since they know the answers. I taught them the answers.
He taught us how to trade and the answers.
And to set
He
up our
gave us
charts.
the copy and the prompts. Like an
Yeah,
answer key.
which
He made us
the-
memorize it.
which was actually just him asking one of the models to write the prompts for him.
That's funny. What? I don't want to pay this with a. Oh, that's annoying.
I hate
Online
this
shopping
trade.
for hats?
Yeah.
Um,
I'm honestly going to cover two of these and just be done.
well, how
Pull the
many were you
runner.
in?
I was still in full size.
Was that like
So,
3 lots?
I was in a 3 lot. So I just covered two for whatever, like $200 each, and
It's a lot of
I'll
panda,
hold
man.
one runner for. So now it actually can move.
Big baller alert.
Oh yeah, $400. Tacos are on me,
Big
boys.
baller alert. Yeah, my 1 hour chart, it's 24-hour profiles and then 5-day rolling. But on the 1 minute on the main chart, it's just the RTH. Yes. Big baller alert.
Nick, what exactly is the bid ask profile called? Do you have that would be like a delta profile or a volume by price, or excuse me, a delta by price, depending on the terminology that you want to use. A volume profile that's just switched to delta. So we can get real technical here.
You trying to short gold? Good luck. It might work. It might work.
I thought about it
It
before I
just
jumped into
depends
this
if
short.
depends if the 30s hold. If they can trade into the 20s, 45 20s, I think it's probably pretty good. That's what I'm waiting to see if they do right now. But best of luck on your short. Hope it works. I don't hate it. That's for
I don't
sure.
hate it either, actually.
Yeah, gold short is looking like there's some good potential there.
Why do I have a feeling NQ is gonna like actually liquidate back to 170s or something?
Yeah, I have a little inkling because right now I'm like, dude, it's gotta make a better high. It's gotta have more excess. And that's when you feel so strongly about that, that's when you're wrong. And it's just gonna liquidate and leave it there.
Um,
For your
my
sake,
my
I
whole
hope it
logic
works.
is like I covered it because I almost forgot I was in this trade because it's been so long and nothing has happened. That made me think, oh yeah, okay, let me cover a couple. So now it actually rolling over makes a lot of sense.
All right, well, you're a big platinum guy.
I am
You
a
got a
big
question
platinum.
from
No, let's go back here. Let's go back.
You're a big platinum guy.
Claude is the big platinum guy because he went
Theo's
rogue
got a
and
question for your
decided
Claude.
to build a model or some sort of swing model on for the metals. And then I started questioning on what this trade was based on. And it was like 50% bullshit, 50% like fibs. And I was like, since when do we use fibs? Like he's just sometimes invents new ideas. And that's when I also realized that Opus 4.8 was about to be released because he started being really, really, really dumb this week. So let's see. Let's see if let's see. I think I have the dashboard open. No, there's not currently any platinum
No platinum? Well,
trade being
Dio needs
flagged.
to know if he's gonna
But
short or long platinum
in
because he's gonna do something.
GC, keep in mind, guys, I am ripping apart my dashboard model trade surfacer thing, swing, whatever you want to call this thing I'm working on. I slowly rip it apart, like especially when there's a new model like there is today, where we just start auditing it and re-looking at the logic and data and things behind it. So, no, the most recent trade was a gold long that it spit out, and that was back at 45.07s. Yeah. So that was a breakout, I guess, of the last little volume node from like the Euro close time frame.
There can be no Iran deal without open straight. Theo says, I longed and shorted. Thank you, Nick.
You're welcome.
Sweet. Can't lose. You literally can't lose. If holding on to a runner is profitable for you guys, presumably more so than your regular TP, why not hold everything as a runner? I'm not really
Why
a big
not
runner
hold
guy.
everything as what?
A runner.
I mean, I think you would say it depends on your strategy, right? We would all say that.
Yeah, I'm not a big runner guy.
Yeah, that it also just it comes down to sizing and risk. Like you don't hold everything as a runner because sometimes you're also just trying to take money off the table based on whatever your strategy is, your take profit locations. Sometimes if you're kind of if you're behind the momentum of a trade or you're long and it looks like it could be potentially a trend day, then yeah, let it ride, let it trail. But it really depends on the situation. But sometimes, yeah, you're just trying to take risk off the table. So not everything is going to be a runner.
I
And it's
also need to cope. I need to cope. I can't hold on to all that size. It's just no. I'd go crazy
I
mentally.
also drive myself insane trying to do other things, like even having runners on. And this is part of what I'm trying to work on too, which is getting better at a swing time frame like Chris is, with even with micros, a few micros, and just kind of letting the trade really work out over a week, whatever, and not stare. Like my problem right now is I just will continue to see where price is as I'm doing other things versus me hitting the old flatten all button. I may not look at price the rest of the session. I may not check in with the markets until, sometime during Globex.
Gold's trying to break this right now.
Nick, am I trading with Claude now? No, absolutely not. I'm using it to just surface data in markets that I don't normally look at. For love of God, do not try to automate a strategy and just hand it to Claude and say, Claude, go make money, beat the S&P, make no mistakes. Like that's not going to work. It's really good at surfacing and compiling data.
I just
How
did
you-
that last week.
What? Did you
I just-
beta test the new Robinhood accounts that you can just give Claude, dangerously skip permissions and here's my credit card and banking information, go make money?
Yeah. Yeah.
Well, there you go.
Wow, that's a thing.
Oh yeah. Yeah, Robinhood is doing that. It's kind of insane.
That's crazy. All right, NQ is sliding.
Did
Trying to
Leah
see-
just teleport? I wish. Teleport right to the Cayman Islands.
The market's about to teleport down to 100 points, isn't it?
Are you sure, Nick?
I'm still holding
Only a
the
short
one
can say
runner.
that. What zones did I mark? It's not much to mark, honestly. Not much to mark.
What do
I'm
you
just
mean,
looking at
Nick?
gold.
Nick are using agentic AI. Nick is agentic AI.
Yeah, I
He's
think
the embodiment of agentic AI.
everything I do is from like one or two or three terminal interfaces at the same time, and then it's just dispatching agents to go do a bunch of stuff, and me talking to like the main Claude instance. I've built my own agents. There's probably a lot of real good work I could do to a real 9 to 5 business with some of this stuff because I've heard and seen some sales decks, and yeah, these agents I think I could build some better versions of in a few minutes, to be honest. The space still lacks imagination, in my opinion.
Mm-hmm.
A 6-part pipeline doing something similar. Nice. Yeah, the social clip pipeline thing that I built is a pretty robust agent workflow that uses local models and a bunch of other things too. That one's probably like my most thought out and scoped out project. And it's something so simple, but it just prevents me from having to do a lot of work. But like I said, still seeing what the production team behind the scenes of NT Live can do with a human actually editing and making content. It's still got a ways to go before you just say, Claude, here's a $100 million Hollywood movie. Go edit it into a Oscar winner. Like that's just not going to happen.
Yet. Yet.
I don't think Anthony's in the back, but I don't think we're anywhere close to that. Soon we're just going to have Claude be negotiating with the Iran Claude negotiating with the White House Claude on the Iran deal. Like that's what we're probably a week or so away from. Yeah, the moderator for Sundays is a local agent model that I built. He permabans people.
Oh,
now. It's
he's
great.
pretty rapid fire with that trigger though, huh?
Yeah. But I just love that he goes rogue and just like publicly shames people now if they say something mean in the chat. It's really funny. And it like surfaces it on the screen. Like that was a funny idea, and I'm glad it worked.
That's pretty funny.
Had to test it out on some people, some innocent victims.
I
Was
just gave
950,
him
900 a valid bid? So what was 950, 900?
9 in what?
Like, oh,
GC?
29, 950.
Yeah, that was a spot yesterday
Oh,
too.
absolutely. Yeah. Yeah, I'd say so. Yep.
Yeah, for a minute, it was me really realizing like how much I didn't like using Nightbot, and so I built a better version of my own, and it broke the first week. So, grain of salt there. It did in fact break. We did in fact hit API limits. So, building versus just using a free solution isn't always the best thing to do. Come on, let's roll down like right here.
Whole lot of nothing. Oh, you reached out to me, Paul? I'm pretty sure I replied. Paul Hutz? I replied. Check your messages, Paul.
Check your messages, Paul.
Yeah, Paul.
No, you.
I just sent you a message again. Chris, if we lose 281 level, is the uptrend over for today? 281? Very specific level. No. I mean, I would say, is the uptrend over for today? I don't know. That's hard to answer. We can pull back, bounce, reclaim this little support that we're trying to hold, and then make a new high into prior day high. It's tough to say if the trend will be over if we lose this low.
It's interesting that gold and NQ kind of have like a very similar profile today. Or not just today. There's multiple like nodes in GC, but like the setup is like the exact same.
4 nodes. Yeah.
Yeah, what was going on in gold? It's just like weird. That's a interesting profile today.
Let the trend move with the 2 consolidation periods in between. Yeah, it's almost like a triple D.
NQ's node looks real strange here.
Time for liquidation.
Well, I heard they're going to teleport down 100 points on NQ.
Yes, it's going to happen.
Just a teleport.
How do I do this again?
Make sure you tweet about it, all right, Nick?
I will tweet and then I will start publicly shaming everybody that publicly
Everybody
shames
didn't take the
all-time
short.
high haters.
Can you imagine like a Twitter account just tweeting their trades, and when they hit, they're always just shaming everyone who didn't take the same trade? I think it's time. I think that's what I'm gonna do.
There's a lot of that stuff as in different
Not enough
ways.
to win. You've got to shame everyone else who did not win with you. And the best part is you wouldn't even, there's nothing to sell. You're not selling anything. You're just shaming people for the love of the game.
Ooh.
That's half of Twitter. Yeah, seems like it, huh?
Leg to leg is not available for download yet, but it will be soon. Will be soon.
Late to enter. I think they're asking you that, XY.
What's up?
They're asking you if it's too late to enter.
Enter what?
Tell them when to enter.
What are you trying to get into? Platinum?
Is that a fidget spinner? Oh, no, that's your hoodie.
Yo, stop looking at me that closely.
You blushing? I see you blushing. I see him blushing.
Yo.
Yeah.
Yo, what's between your fingers? Let me see.
He's gonna have a complex now the whole show.
What's that in your fingernail, Chris?
Why are you looking at my hands like that?
That's crazy. Meanwhile, Nick is gazing off into the sun.
I didn't see. What are we doing? I was reading something.
We're just,
How did
We're trying
I
to-
tell
we're
I
just having
thought?
a moment.
Chris play with a fidget spinner.
Wrong with you guys,
More action than this.
sir? I'm short for holding for 0.
Holy yawn. I'm sorry, guys. I'm fucking yawning.
I tried to get shorts in gold around the 34s earlier, and I was wondering why I cannot click to enter anything. And I realized I didn't enable trading for the DOM. So now I'm in like 2 points lower.
Well, it doesn't work if you don't enable the features that make that work.
It's because I had to switch it to the August contract, and I guess it resets everything because it
Yeah.
looks entirely different right now.
Well,
And
if
then
you
I'll-
saved your template, then you could just reapply your template.
I did, but it didn't. Oh, I didn't save it on gold. I guess that's the difference maker.
I mean, it should work in any
But
market.
Doesn't really. It doesn't look the same.
Maybe
I got
you
it.
should yell at
At the guy,
the guy,
Dom guy.
the dumb
He's
guy
here. He's
that,
here. He's here in the chat. He's here in the chat.
yeah,
But
the
well,
legend.
we're making money now. That's cool. That's cool. Whoever was short earlier, congratulations on your great entry. I'm assuming you got in around the 37s, 36s.
I like to
Gold?
trade.
I was gonna say that gold short starting to look
Oh,
good.
what a bounce today. Jesus. You
What does
catch any of
Jesus have
that?
to do with gold, Chris?
Jesus, grab the wheel.
Jesus is a big gold guy, by the way.
Is he? I
Big
thought he was
gold
more
guy.
of a,
He
silver
used to
guy.
market make gold.
I thought he was more into like palladium, palladium,
Big gold guy.
platinum.
Almost as big as a platinum guy apparently as Claude is.
Claude's big on platinum.
Huge platinum guy. I think he was
For
on
the
the other
chips.
side of that, other influencer that market ordered a bunch of lots of platinum. It was actually Claude on the other side of the trade.
Hmm.
Or Claude learned from that particular trade.
That's honestly, that is with all of the web sleuths out there during that time, I would not be shocked if that is part of the logic that was built into the platinum model.
During Jesus' time.
No, during the web sleuthing of trader executions time on X.
Oh, that was the thing. Did I miss that whole?
I pray
think
no one gets a hold of my
you
broker
literally
statements.
like weighed in on it.
Oh no
Leo's
shit.
lived so many lifetimes on X at this point. He doesn't even know
You
what
know,
day it is.
FinTwit does change every year. Like it's a whole different space
Yeah, there
landscape.
really is
Yeah,
a whole
it
nother
really
level.
does.
Yeah.
I don't like the current version, and which
It's
is why I'm not participating.
You go back to your old GC contract into DOM settings, and you can switch the contract, and it will retain. Ah, I'll try that later. Yeah. Yeah, X is a really scary place now, so I don't interact too much.
that's why I just hang out with
Everyone's
you
mean to
guys.
each other. Every time it's like you open the door, you see what's going on, and everyone's literally stabbing each other with knives. And you're like, okay, I'll wait. I'll wait. You guys continue. I think FinTwit died when Tracy stopped tweeting her Friday tweet. She knows what I'm talking about.
Oh, I know that tweet.
Mm.
Yeah, that's actually when FinTwit died. So you guys know who to blame. She's right here in the chat. It's her fault.
Well, there is a big event tonight.
What's happening?
Let me tell you, Chris, what's happening.
Okay, let me know.
I'm so glad you asked. I never thought
You,
you would
you
ask.
texted me to ask you that.
Yeah, what is the big event? Even I don't know.
What the?
Game 6
Oh,
in San
NBA
Antonio.
stuff.
Go sports.
Big event. Big event.
Big event.
This is an XY question. I think it's more
OKC's
of a
up
dead
3
body
to
in
2 on the Spurs,
DC.
and tonight's the night we can close it out.
What's the question?
Would you consider this a dead body setup? And I don't know if I would in NQ.
It could
GC,
be, but it's
maybe.
ugly. I don't like it. I don't like it. Technically, yeah, because there's that node.
Yeah.
And if they get left behind, they'll die. But there are much better versions of it. That's
Yeah.
for sure.
Even the one in GC, like there's another distribution. Like it has like 4 distributions today. It's kind of a weird profile.
So it's a fake dead body.
Triple D, Nick.
It's an alive body.
It says zombie body cannot be killed.
We're on July 1st CL. Is that right?
Yeah, I think GC's August. That's something crazy. Maybe not August. Maybe it is July. I don't know.
GC August now.
I thought it was August when I wrote the thing this morning.
Unless I'm on the wrong contract. I'm on the August.
I don't know. It's what I got defaulted to roll over to. So
All right, we're. I still think we're carving out that higher low on the hourly and ES and NQ, and we can push up, push it.
Push it real good.
oh, here we go. Here comes some buyers.
I'm gonna give NQ a shot.
Charter Communications, which provides cable, internet, and phone service in more than 40 states, confirmed that it suffered a data breach recently. Just in case you were wondering.
All right, I got long NQ on another account. We're holding this 280 zone. We just tested it again. And I'm looking to see if we can push up to highs now. If not, we'll take Uno stop. And then I'll keep my long from this morning still. Oh,
Can you keep whispering softly to me when you speak?
I mean, whisper sweet nothing.
Just
To
make
your
sure
ear.
it's soft.
ASMR time.
Hmm.
Hey, talk dirty to me. Oh,
Yeah, that's right, Chris.
Well, NQ's doing okay. My gold short is
See you,
not.
Tom Dog. Have a good day.
later, Tom. Let's see if we
Hit,
can
hit the
push up
likes on the
to
way out. Yeah.
yeah, what are those likes at 115? Guys,
115.
there's 3 order flow guys and 1 of me.
Have you guys ever seen this stream before? That is unacceptable.
3 order flow guys and 1 Mexican walk into a bar.
Okay, where are
And
you going
everyone
with
hates
this?
it.
Finish the joke, Leo.
And
You gotta
everyone
finish.
hates
then
it.
what?
And nobody likes it.
Oh, okay. You want me to finish the joke, huh?
Yeah. You know this one. All right, let's see prior day high now in NQ.
No, I think we're good. I think you've had enough R's today.
The bartender looks up and says, let me guess, one of you trades absorption, one of you trades delta divergence, and the other one just draws VWAPs until they feel something.
It'd be cooler if
The
you didn't just
Mexican
have Claude
trader
do that.
smiles and says, see, and I'm the only one here actually green today.
See, knew you could finish it.
Am I Mexican? I'm not Mexican. What the fuck? That's crazy.
I hate this gold short.
Are you still in it? Oh, now it's just sitting there. It's all fun and games when it's going your way, but when it's reversed right back in your face,
What can you do but cry?
what can you do? Didn't mean
Someone
to
says
offend.
sorry,
you
Leo.
didn't-
Didn't mean to. What was
you didn't
offensive?
What
he
did you
asked me
do?
if I was. He said, isn't Leo Mexican?
Oh,
It's like, no, I'm not
I
Mexican.
don't think that's offensive.
Yeah, you can't offend me.
Oh, I was
The likely
offended.
thing is I'll offend you.
I was offended last night by a friend of mine who currently is on a business trip in Tucson, Arizona, and said for dinner he was going to a and I'm quoting here, hibachi Italian restaurant in Tucson, Arizona.
Hold
And
on.
I
Which
got-
is it?
Wait,
Oh
what?
shit! That
Italian?
actually sounds kind of interesting.
I was like, what?
Are they cooking Italian food on the hibachi grill?
I don't know. I
sounds
don't
kinda
want to
fun.
know. But the whole point is that's not what you eat in Tucson. Ever.
What the hell is hibachi Italian, man?
I don't know. Google it.
Trying to get out of this gold short for a 1 tick profit here. You think they'll give it
Yeah,
to me?
some things
Hell yeah.
in the restaurant space don't need fusion. That might be a pair of them.
Hell yeah, I got that 1 tick profit on gold, man. Big gold guy.
1 tick.
Big gold guy. I just wanted to get out of it because I'm long NQ.
One
Hey,
tick.
big gold guy. Ask about me.
79.
Ask about me to your friends.
Scalping gold 1 tick at a time after taking like 10 ticks of heat or something. Whatever that was. Why long? Market looks like it's going up.
Why long?
Market is always going
We're
up.
gonna make money.
Two ticks of profit after taking 10 ticks of heat. That's the old Cheeto special. I love that.
That's the way I trade, baby. That's you hear about negative
Porch
R.
time.
That's the big thing these days, negative R.
Porch time. He was the original negative R.
Chat, who knows porch time?
Yeah.
Let's see.
God, there's so much. Leo, you might be one of the fathers of Finchwood lore.
Oh, you don't have to say his name straight up.
That's not even cool. Looking like a little bit of a sell activity here in the
Ooh,
LNQ
yeah.
land.
What the? I'm getting more longs in
Stowe's
here.
burner, that is possible. As I said, I'm translating what was translated to me.
Yes, yes, yes.
Did you know Cheeto is back?
He is?
Yeah, he's trading crypto now. He's doing like crypto scam
I'm
stuff.
gonna go follow him. Is he still doing like 10 to 1 R trading or whatever you would call it?
I have no
1 to
idea.
10
I don't
to
know.
infinity?
I just noted that I know that he's back because I've seen his Twitter account randomly post some shit.
Can we finally roll over here?
Oh, they
I
got
want to
me.
buy.
They
I
got
think I want
me.
to buy all these prices.
Are you still long?
I just got out of it, but I do want to buy these lower prices. I just want to see how far they go.
Do I buy this micro pullback with XY or not? Nick is short.
Hoping they go a little
Chris is
lower.
long.
A little
I
lower
think
would
this
be
is going to
nice.
roll.
Take these little
But I've
lows
also
out.
thought that for an hour.
Chat saying buy. Oof.
Chat
You know
says
what,
buy.
chat? I hope all of you lose money.
Micro pullback or mega reversal?
Yeah, there's no in between here.
Yeah. All right.
No, bastards.
All right, let's give it a shot.
On what, a short or buy?
Hold on.
Might have gotten too
Start
greedy
small.
waiting for better entries.
Yeah, I still have not like fine-tuned exactly the best way for me to enter on gold. Like on the fly. Versus just having limits out there. I never seem to time it well.
All right, we got 5.
Casually just throw a 5 lot on gold right now.
What's gold doing? Oh, gold's moving up again. Okay,
rotation
5
to the
lots it
upside
is.
What are we doing? Why can we just not roll over here?
Because it's illegal.
Market wants to go up, Nick.
No, market has gone up enough. Do I need to consult the chart?
I think you're going to be consulting DoorDash pretty soon if you keep trying to pick tops. You know what I'm saying?
Thank God I haven't, but my goodness, I'm just ready for. I don't know what was that old like year point of control was like 26,000 or 27,600, 26,600 or something.
Hey, Stowe, why don't you turn off YouTube and go do something else?
What's he doing?
Rather than-
Shorting?
Oh, hey guys, cool range you have to work with there. Why don't you just get in your car and drive to the bowling alley?
We got an 8 ATR here.
You're at the driving range. Get the hell out of the chat. Nobody asked you for your opinion. There's always the hope, trader dude, that one time it'll be a reversal. Mega reversal, as you described.
Dude, chat knows, man. Chat knows. Right, chat? 315
Oh,
would be nice.
glad to know MGI. My MGI level is called the low of the day today in CL on the Substack. Someone just said that in the chat. Yes, that was not a secret level. That was literally, I think, May's low, the 87.10s or whatever, 87.15.
All right. I'm trimming here for 15.
Trimming here?
Yep. Right at the point of control.
Wait, why was I missed like part of the morning with the girls this morning? Why was chat mean to them? What was happening?
Chat was mean.
That was
Allegedly.
mean. To the girls?
Who said?
Yeah, there was like some bit when Jack and Stowe were coming on, which is like about when I kind of started like paying attention because I had already exited my trade and was like having fun. And apparently the chat was mean.
That's
You guys were
shocking.
mean
To the girls?
to the girls?
That's
Who are two
shocking.
like the nicest people.
I've
Definitely the
not
two
seen
nicest
chat
people
be
on the
mean.
stream for sure.
Ever. Oh,
I
it was
don't
one
think there
person.
are-
Who was it?
I don't know, but I don't think there are two nicer people on NC Live than those
Chat
two.
was mean to Salmon.
I think
Was it NQ Maverick?
Oh, they were trolling Salma. That's
bullshit. I
Well,
think
what was the
I think we should
guy's-
just leave stream
What
and not
was
come
the
back.
handle?
Yeah, hopefully they got
They
blamed
said it was
because
one guy.
no one's allowed to troll Salma except Leo and I, and it's purely based on the lack of pop culture knowledge.
Yeah, she's okay now. She watched Gladiator finally.
Yes, she did finish Gladiator.
She's approved. All right, I'm gonna try to scale at least one here.
See you later. See you, Joe.
Is Salma here? I want to see why the chat was mean today. She's probably not here.
Looking for 315 here.
We're carving out that hourly higher low on the hourly so we can push up to new highs.
Damn, I wish I got
Let's
more on
go.
this. Wish I had more on this.
We had a little divergence at that last low with RSI and an SMT. Oh, no, SMT?
SM who?
I don't know what that is.
No SMT. But it did have an
Chris, can
RSI
you explain
divergence.
SMT?
Big SMT guy, huh?
Big SMT guy over here?
Oh, Bag Life? Dude, that guy, I swear, man. I don't even know why he comes on the stream. That guy has bad news. All he does is fucking talk shit, honestly.
SMTP? Like a server?
Yep, that.
So is that good for us or
I don't know what's happening.
good for
right now.
longs, right?
There's an SMTP at the lows.
Tell me it's good for longs. I'm still holding on to 3 of these here.
At
Trying to
this
see at
point, I
least
can't tell
315.
who is trolling me, the boys, the chat, or something else.
Chat
I wanna
said
know, I
long.
want to know who's rude to Selma.
His name is
OKC
Bag
and-
Life. Yes, it's
OKC
Bag
and
Life.
6.
Dude,
That's
that
right,
guy's
Joe.
annoying as
OKC
hell, man.
and 6.
Boo.
See?
Lowe sent an email.
We got to destroy the alien tonight. You know who I'm talking about, XY.
Game 7.
Got to destroy the alien, though.
No. Be nice. Be nice. He's young. He's only like 22. Be nice.
He's so tall. Shouldn't we have like a limit? Like if you were fucking 20 feet tall, can you really play in the NBA? Like,
23 feet tall.
I don't even know who's okay.
You've never seen Wemby on the court?
No, it's 3-2.
Dude, it's such a weird. It does. He does look freakish on the court, like, and his wingspan is
It's so
insanely
crazy,
wide.
bro.
I
It just
saw him in a huddle. They were in a huddle, and you put your arms around your players, and he had two guys on each arm. I'm like, whoa.
I can see that mentally right now.
Nick, can you stop selling this for a second?
No, it needs to go to 0.
Oh, the teleport.
Yes.
Okay, but you are like a big Spurs fan, no?
Yes. Yes.
Is that your only team?
Pretty much. Yeah.
How do you feel about them losing to OKC tonight?
I don't think they will, but I am prepared for them to because they're just kids. First time. I honestly had them. I had them as a play-in team this year, so they have massively overperformed.
Mm-hmm.
First time in the playoffs, all the way to the conference finals. If they take OKC to 6, I mean, I think that's great. They'll finish the next year in the next 6. It's fine.
Mm-hmm.
It's fine. We'll drop 1 year, win the next 6. It's going to be Spurs OKC in the West for like forever because they're both so young.
OKC reputation in the gutter for what?
For flopping.
Oh, come on. LeBron James is the king flop.
He's good at it. He's good at it, but he's just one guy.
He's good at it.
He's good. He's good. You give
He's
him
the king, bro.
give him a few awards. Yes.
He's the
yes.
king of. He is the king of. He invented the flop.
No, that's Divock back in the day. Who's old?
You
enough to
guys are
remember
all
the Kings,
kids. I'm
the
42.
Kings Lakers days. Floppy Divock.
I don't. Dragon Slayer. What are we talking about?
Oh, hey, I'll take that. Thank you, Dragon Slayer. Chat just calls
I'm
us
so
unks.
old. I have to wear an uncat now.
Chat keeps calling us unks, but Dragon Slayer, he sees it for what it is. We
Move
are young.
OKC back to
Wow,
Seattle.
he's
and I'll support
71.
them. Hold on. Move OKC back to Seattle. It's not our fault that nobody in Seattle wanted to support the team and turn them into winning players. What's happened since they came to Oklahoma City? A lot of good things. They've already won. What are we saying?
Yes, Floppy Divock. I know
You
who's old in the
lost-
chat right now.
You just lost all respect for Leo for the blasphemy coming out of his mouth to never say that the king flops like those dudes. Okay, you can hate on me all you want about my opinion of the Oklahoma City
Boo,
Thunder.
OKC chat. Everybody watch
Wow.
tonight.
I
mean,
Chat. Boo.
So many haters.
Most of I don't watch the NBA, but like daily, and I really haven't cared enough for the playoffs. But these guys are soft. They're flopping everywhere.
I mean, the whole generation is soft, Nick.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
But like, okay, here's the thing. Do you guys not think that every single please add I can't because the way we're sharing, I can't add position
Dude.
tracker anymore.
What the hell?
What are you doing, Nick?
This is Nick's fault. Why is the market doing this?
I am holding for previous day high on this runner. I will not be denied.
Prior day high. The
You
short?
know what? I'm just
Yeah.
gonna add more longs if they go
Wait,
through.
prior day high is above though.
No.
No, prior day high is what, 180s?
Yeah.
190, 180s?
Prior day high
192.
at 379.
Sir, we're not
What
doing this
kind
debate
of-
again.
Crack are you smoking?
Where
What?
is the high of the prior day?
192.
That cannot be that cannot be real.
It's
We're not doing ETH versus RTH right now.
Yeah.
I can't. My brain's not going to let me do this anymore.
RTH only.
Listen, yesterday's day, where was the high on yesterday?
The last hour of the day is fake. It's not real.
That's the high of day.
I'm sorry, Chris, but you're wrong.
You're outnumbered here. Last hour of the day is not real. Only if
The
you're
high-
trading arena competition.
The
We
high
use
yesterday
RTH
was-
here. There will be no extended previous day high during this session today.
Yes.
Chris, if you want to join this stream, you have to use the same high that we're using.
You have to change all
along
your
with
levels right now.
99% of the rest of the people that trade the markets. What high are you talking about? I want to see it. Point to the candle.
The high is
high?
the one that has all the R's.
How high are you?
Well, I don't do that, Chris. So I don't.
So then,
I'm not.
why are we saying prior day high? We shouldn't give
prior
it that term.
day, the prior day RTH.
Okay, then say RTH high. Don't say the
I don't
prior
need to
day.
say RTH high because everyone understands this to be the case.
No.
I'm not saying previous previous days
yesterday,
RTH high. That's just
the
it's too
prior
much.
day. What was the high?
The prior
Friday
day
high.
RTH, Chris.
Okay, then just say RTH.
Why?
Chat.
You don't need to.
Then, well, the RTH high is not the prior day high.
Chat, what's the real high, chat?
Yeah,
This is
I'm gonna-
English 101.
Put a
I'm
poll,
going
put
to
a poll.
request a poll.
Yeah,
We're going to request a poll.
It's
poll
just
time.
English.
This is
Why is the
the
Mexican
craziest
tell you about
shit I've
English
ever
here?
heard in my fucking trading life.
Guy, why is the Mexican tell you?
Did you just call
correcting
me
your
guy?
English?
Did you just say guy?
No.
Poll time, poll time.
All right,
Listen
I
here,
have
buddy.
put my request for the poll to our lovely friends in production in the back. So everyone just hold your horses. Hey, Pax, see, I know what? I don't even need the damn poll. Pax just agrees with
Pax
us.
is
So,
here. Leo
What do
is
you
right,
say?
for God's
Yes.
sakes.
Pax
Thank you.
is on team
Is he
RTH.
in the chat?
Yes.
Oh, I
Yes,
see,
he's in
I
the
see.
chat.
All right, PAX counts as 300 votes. All right, now start the poll.
Yeah,
Start the
I mean,
poll.
Pax is judge, jury, and executioner here. I don't think we need the poll anymore.
Well, there
PAX
you go,
counts as
Chris.
300 votes.
Pax, come on, Pax.
Eat a
I have one kidney.
big
Come on
fat
here.
turd.
I have one kidney. Come
Chris.
on.
You're gonna do this to the one kidney guy, really?
All right. Since you only have one kidney, your vote counts as 100.
All right, I'm getting out of this trade now that we're just doing nothing and we're
I'm gonna keep
focused
buying
on
this
other
thing.
shit.
I'm gonna keep hoping that it just
One
we
kidney
rotate.
is 500 votes.
He's saying I love you, Chris, but you're wrong.
I'm gonna continue to hope we rotate to the correct.
Where's the
previous
poll,
day
guys?
high that everybody can see on my chart here.
They're firing it up. They're gonna fire it up.
There we go.
See, look, there it is in the chat.
RTHI.
Is the previous day high the extended session high or the RTH high? Let us know your
What are we
thoughts.
getting?
Does it give us
Holy
by
Moses.
count or only by percentage? The poll.
This is crazy. Look how wrong the chat is.
How?
Okay,
what-
look.
Who are you? I think they're just trolling us now.
What are you guys doing? They are trolling.
Guys,
Looks about even.
again, it's English 101. The
Chris,
prior day.
Chris,
high.
this is
That's
not.
it.
Since when does trading translate to English?
It's just a simple. Don't say prior day high if it's not. Then
I was accused of being old. I'm old too, Pax. Don't worry, it's okay.
Yeah,
Accused
look
of being
look
old.
At Leo's hat.
I can mail
RTH
you.
high
An,
is
I can mail you an
RTH.
uncat, Pax.
yeah.
It's
Yeah.
funny that he says he was accused of being old
All right.
instead of like someone called me old. Someone
This-
accused me of being old.
because it's who is on Trade the Close today, and the chat just loves to throw it back at me and Leo specifically. I'm gonna just say this poll is null and void because this is just
Yeah,
nonsense. You
it's
guys
fake.
are
Well,
trolling us.
Stop making it.
They're
so-
just
just
void
trolling.
if it's not
They're
the right
literally just
answer.
trolling.
Yes.
The amount of you who just hit the wrong button purely out of
They're
just
doing
hatred,
it just to troll.
I hate you all.
You can't take that back now. You asked for it. You literally asked for it.
But then we also said there's no need for the poll because Pax agrees with me.
I'll just
Chat,
fucking
there's only
poll
one
Twitter.
way. There's only one way to get back at Nick, chat, and it's to buy the hell out of this market.
No, we're going to zero. Or
Everybody,
at least the
open up
previous
the
day high.
wallets, get that margin, and buy every
You know what?
price.
The only way to settle this is for the market gods to just let it be known we are going to go to the previous day high, regardless of which one you choose, and the market gods are going to show us which one the right one is.
That makes no sense. Then it wouldn't be prior day high.
They're going to choose. They're going to choose. We're going to go to previous day high, and they're going to choose which one makes more sense.
Which one?
You're
the
gonna
real
take
one
it back
is?
again. If we go to the real one, you're gonna be like, just kidding, guys.
No, but I'll be stopped out and I'd be pissed off, so it's fine.
So he's not going to
Well,
be
you shouldn't
concerned
have
about
it.
that anymore. He's got
Don't
bigger
put your
problems
stop
at
at
that
prior
point.
day high. How about that?
Well, my stop is currently, I don't know where it is. It's at the high of the day,
Does the dead body setup
which
work
will
on the long
likely
side?
be
Yes, it's the same.
tomorrow's previous day high, where my stop is currently.
Buy this low, stop out, Nick. Chris gets Nick's kidney.
I did have a biological age of 28, so he might actually want my kidney.
You have said what?
That my biological age is 28,
Dude, that
based
thing
on
is
blood
wrong.
tests.
Because it tells me
Based
I'm
on-
younger as well, but I have one kidney. I am not
What's
young.
telling you guys that?
Well, this was an average over several months of blood tests that I was doing. So
Like I'm older than Leo in kidney years.
Dude, that's insane, guys. I don't know if you know, but Nick is actually 54 years old. So he's like half.
Hey, Booty.
Pax is going to give you one, Chris.
A kidney?
Mm-hmm. Only if you
Yeah, I
acknowledge-
knew it. Only if you say it.
if you
I
acknowledge
knew it.
the prior day high
But
is the RCH high.
I'm gonna need something from you. But
Why do I need a lie to get a kidney?
you have to tell the truth.
You got to tell the truth, man.
It's like I can't give it to a guy that has the wrong prior day high. No way.
He's got the wrong levels. He's got the
We
wrong
need to get
levels.
Pax. We need to get Pax on the stream right now so he can yell. It's like in wrestling when they come out of the tunnel out of nowhere.
I think you should acknowledge they both matter. Yeah, that's why I have overnight high and prior day high. Prior day, RTH, trading day. Overnight,
You have
Well,
every
that's
high and
overnight.
low.
I have
Big
overnight
high
high
guy.
and prior day high. Overnight high, prior day high. That's not every high. Oh, you're a big high, low guy. Name all the highs and the lows.
Big high
Chris.
guy.
I know how to solve it. We duel it out on Smash Brothers.
I've never even played Smash Brothers. How is that?
What?
even fair?
yeah,
What?
which Smash Brothers though? This is where
The
we'll get into
original
a
one.
debate with all the.
N64.
I'm too.
Okay,
What?
that's
I'm
Where's
sorry.
Chris?
Leo had Genesis. He played with rocks back in the day.
Chris at
I'm
least gave the right
literally
answer.
like, how are you doing this? How are you like? Oh, little Leo was on. No, I was on Nintendo.
Leo, you play with rocks. Stop it.
Contra. You know, Super Dodgeball, Zelda, Mario Brothers.
How do you not play Smash Brothers then?
Mortal Kombat on Sega, NBA Jam. I mean, NBA Jam on Sega was the best ever. Tecmo Bowl, Tecmo Super Bowl.
Needy. You're so needy.
Big buyer, 280.
Leo would make a terrible fish. I don't even know what that means, but it sounds
is that-
funny.
That's a weird insult.
Okay. Mhm.
Yeah, NBA Jam, baby.
Yeah, dude. Sega, NBA Jam on Sega was amazing.
NBA Jam walked so that Blitz and like Slugfest could run eventually. I miss those games.
Dude, Nick, get off the book.
You say this as if we've moved. I've
Get
been
off-
rotating in
the
like
problem is we're
15
not
points.
moving up to the. I need to see the fake prior day high.
We got, oh God, how do we still have 40 minutes?
There's nothing to do.
This is all Nick's fault, man.
NBA
amount of
Jam hit 3 threes in a
conversation
row. You get
drifts.
that fire. Yeah, that's right. CL hasn't gone anywhere. GC is done trading. You know. We're just not doing anything. Any zones for tomorrow, XY?
Hmm?
Chat wants to know
Any
if you got any
zones for
zones
tomorrow? Not really.
Hey, Chris, what is that level where price is at now? 280s?
I'm glad you can name the last traded price. I figured you'd come up with some other, well, it's not actually that, it's something else thing, like you did
Guys,
with Friday High.
we're going to the fake par day high. Let's go.
Well, I do have a zone here, if you must know, Leo. Okay, it's proprietary.
Hold on. Wait, this looks important. Someone said they recently discontinued NBA Jam for the iPhone. They had NBA Jam for the iPhone?
Sounds like the most convoluted / microtransaction driven mobile game you could probably ever have.
You
I
can't
would
play
imagine.
unless you buy 50 more tokens.
I would imagine it would
$50.
cost me a lot of money to actually play that game the way the old one used to function.
All right, all right. ES has the right idea. Huh, NQ?
Sir,
ES has the right idea.
we're not going to do this. We're going to rotate lower. This is just a back test.
Rotate. We can't rotate lower. It has to be teleportation. It's no other way.
ES is leading. Yeah. See, ES carved out that hourly higher low. NQ's trying to do the same, but semis are dragging it down a bit.
All right, I'm gonna start scalping some of this out.
An arcade near my house has NBA Jam. If I had a basement, that's what I would want. I would want NBA Jam, as well as Blitz.
Dude,
Be a lot of fun.
Blitz, baby. NFL Blitz.
You know what's funny though? Today's day and age, I'd probably just I could probably Raspberry Pi my own version of a arcade in my
They have
house.
like those things are called like emulators or something, right?
Yeah, I'm saying
you
I
can
could
make little
probably
games.
build one myself and then just get a monitor and joystick and wire it. Like this doesn't seem like it'd be that complicated now that I'm kind of looking at technology today. Instead of
Claude,
buying
make me this
instead
game.
of,
Make no
instead of
mistakes.
finding on eBay or something like an actual working version that I'd have to maintain with a TV from the 1980s.
Guys, we're making money. Can it be?
Did you get long again?
I actually just bought more. I scaled some out earlier and I bought more on the way back.
Just like spite buying it against Nick right now.
Literally, yeah, because Nick kept saying we're gonna go to 0 and I had to spite buy it.
I hate this so much.
Going to Friday High. I'll let you guys figure out which one.
The fake one. We already know. We already know which one it is.
Yeah, the one that's not
The
actually
fake one,
Friday
baby.
High.
Did I take VWAP nongs? I did not even trade until I got on stream. So I have no idea what the market actually
Wait,
looked like.
does he think 379 is Friday High?
Yes.
Pax.
I might actually have to leave the fucking stream.
Pax, he's
I don't
doing it
think
again.
I don't think I can deal with this. Oh my god.
Dude, why
You
did
can
they
see your way
come?
out. Thank you very much.
There's no way that you actually think that to be true.
Three,
You trolling me?
2.
I don't. We don't need to start that conversation again. One is an RTH high. One is Friday high. That's it. That's it. That's it.
Fucking dead.
Okay. I didn't do
In what
6 years of
market?
ESL for this
NQ.
shit.
NQ Pax. He's saying the prior day high in NQ. Hang on, I gotta find it because it's so far. He's saying that prior day high is 30,378. That's crazy. Okay, Pax, me and you, Twitter Spaces after this live is over, and we can rant for hours.
This is not a safe space. This is a very dangerous space.
Yes, you're right, Pax. It's 192.
Pax is getting ready right now. He's getting ready right now. It's like, hell yeah.
Look, Sean said it here. Day equals all sessions. RTH equals New York session. Objectively, I am right. Technically, I am right.
No.
Literally, I am right.
No.
Pax
can't
is so
be.
mad
Pax-
he's yelling at
Pax
his
says
laptop.
he's yelling
right
at his
now.
laptop.
I don't know, Chris.
Capiche?
There was
It's
somebody
just English, guys. It's English.
There was somebody born 30 years ago, and then
that's
there was
all I'm
somebody
arguing
trading
for.
the
It's
NQ
just-
30 years ago in the pits, and I'm going with him. And I've had the same opinion as him on this whole thing for years. You're yelling at me on.
Look, I
yelling at me.
agree that yesterday's close is yesterday's RTH high. But that's not.
I'm down
Well,
to
you
one.
can't be like, you agree with me, but I'm still wrong. You
Well,
either have to agree or don't agree.
It's the RTH high.
Swap out the Unk hat for a grandpa hat. I'm not a grandpa. So I would be LARPing as a grandpa. I can't do that.
Hey, people LARP all the time. It's fine.
Yeah, I'm already LARPing as a streamer or trader person.
Like-
so yeah.
For example, where's the all-time high? At prior day high. Okay, we can't be at all-time highs above the RTH high. It's not possible. We have not crossed all-time highs,
I hate it here.
right? So
You're looking for every excuse in the book to call
it's
yourself
not.
right.
You're gonna say we're above all-time highs right now because we're above the RTH high. We're not.
There is an important, so we have Mr. Actually in the chat here. There is an important distinction between the prior day high of the regular trading hours and the Globex high, which includes the overnight electronic trading.
Sure, I'm not
Most
disagreeing with that.
intraday traders prioritize RTH prior day high as it represents the period with the highest volume and heaviest institutional participation.
Phoenix wants to ban one of the people on the screen. Who?
You want to
Take
ban
a
me?
guess.
Yeah, let's do it.
Who is it? Who is it? Who is it?
Okay, I'll ban
I agree
myself.
with what he said. Like there is an important distinction, all of that. Yes. But again, I just gonna sound like a broken record here.
Who's wearing the better hat?
I'm not
It's
wearing a
mine
hat.
because it's the cheapest.
Let's do a
Leo's
poll on that.
definitely is probably the most expensive here. I'm
Let's
guessing.
do a poll on who's wearing the best hat.
Me and
Leo,
new controversy, SGH.
XYZ,
That's not
or
even
Chris?
controversial. Come on. We knew that.
Guys, I'm not wearing a hat. Why are we doing this? I hate you all.
Dude, this is the best chat. I don't know.
Oh yeah, put Nick in there. Put Nick in the
Anyone,
poll too.
look,
Yeah, put Nick
anyone
in the
not
poll.
named Bag
Leo,
Life.
Nick, XY, or Chris. Put
I'm
that
going
in
to
the poll.
put on a damn hat just so this
Put
actually.
Nick
what?
in the poll.
All right, where do I cover this runner?
I don't even have a
This
hat on
week-
my desk.
Yes, there we go.
We go new high.
Okay, we're voting.
Oh, ES is new high.
Nick is gonna win. Nick is winning the poll. Just
I'm
this
gonna
showing you
vote Nick.
how
I'm voting for
outrageous
Nick.
the voting in this chat is.
You guys are
This is how
officially
you know
lost.
that the prior poll was 100% just a troll response. Look, who is wearing the better hat? Nick doesn't even have a hat on yet. He's
Nick, I
won
don't know
the
what
vote.
kind of hat that is, but yours is the best.
Honestly, Nick, that is a really solid
We're gonna
hat.
need Nick for a hat.
Nick for
I really am not enjoying the stream any longer.
How do we get that customized hat like you? I need that plug.
That is a previous day's hat.
That was
That's the real PDH. Previous day hat.
Ah.
Well done. Well done.
Zen says he's leaving to Tasty for alpha. Guys, look at this range.
Do they
If
have
you
any?
are leaving, Zen, please
You
hit
don't
the
have to
like.
announce your departure, man.
No. Please hit the like. We would appreciate it. Thank you for hanging out.
XYZ is so proper.
I'm just trying to get some likes. You know what I
Hey,
mean?
before you leave, give us the like and
Yeah, look,
subscribe.
I'll let you call us some really mean names as long as you hit the like. It's a fair trade.
You can even call it prior day high something
Prior
that it's
day
not.
high,
Phoenix
prior
hates
day
me.
hat, whatever.
Prior day. Do we? No, we did not make a new. No,
Thanks, guys. Except Chris.
the Leo stat does not. Is not in play today.
All right, so we found out who Phoenix wants to ban.
Who?
Yeah, me.
Oh, damn.
Nick for a
The
hat.
guy that's
Nick
correct.
for a cap.
Sorry, Chris, about your situation.
Chris, where are you trying to cover this thing? Like ever? Or are you just gonna hold it
Something
dude.
called prior day high.
all the way down there?
Yeah, it's a ways away. We
You
still have
should
hope,
probably
though.
take a stop before it gets down there, I would think.
Yeah, I'm probably just gonna get taken out of this.
Dude, as soon as we take out Nick's stop, I think it might reverse. Where's your stop at?
Break even now.
Move your stop to 450, yeah?
Nah, I'm good.
You sure? Gotta give it a little room to breathe.
Put at this imaginary line at 379.
I mean, nobody said the line was imaginary. We just are basically saying your classification, your terminology, the jargon that you're using to describe it is incorrect.
You're saying that English is incorrect then?
Yes, it is.
See, look, cigar.
Go ahead and ask Claude. Claude, when is the prior day high?
Make no mistakes.
That's the
We've
real
been
S&T?
advised to get back to trading.
It's all Leo's fault.
So, anyways,
Hey, but chat says they had a good time, okay? It says, lots of
they
laughs
did.
today.
They
Love you
enjoyed
guys
it.
for engaging and entertaining.
Appreciate that. Make sure you hit that like button. Reminder.
Are we still at like 100 likes?
Oh, I'll sleep like a
Probably.
baby tonight.
Look at
Yes,
the
honestly, chat. You guys
this-
you guys are great because you guys always go along with it too. So it
Yeah.
makes it fun.
Yeah. It's been a slow session. You know, I'm on 3 markets right now. I rarely ever do that.
Oh,
There's not much to do here in GC. CL
I'm
really
so glad
hasn't
I got
moved.
out of
I
that
mean,
gold trade.
We were down here earlier for a little bit, popped up, and now we're doing nothing. I won't say the real thing I was going to say. And NQ looks like it's headed for a new high, despite Nick's attempts to sell it to zero.
Hey, it's not over yet.
Yeah, Nick, despite anything he says, will not give up his trade.
oh, you're still in it?
I'll trail this once they break a new high. Yeah, maybe I'll do it now.
With dividend row.
Yeah, let me make a new high.
Why don't we all just meet at prior day high for some drinks and call it a day?
Chris, we're long. We cannot go down there. Look, is there a chance we can hit 450? There is, right?
Send it.
There's so much volume in here.
Send it.
Everyone thought it would be the dead body, but it's actually the dead body of the buyers if we clear it.
Yeah, we were seeking that hourly higher low.
I mean, the
correcting
sellers.
through
Oops.
Time. It
Dead
was
body of the sellers.
an obvious one.
What is XY doing? Um, Nothing.
Everyone say wave goodbye to my stop at break even.
Bye. Bye next stop.
Boo. Get out of the way. Buy resurrection setup. The 3 business day setup.
Or
Bears always let Nick down. Yeah.
Yep, it's tradition.
It's only right.
I should just shock everybody and just remove my stop and add and just double down.
I agree, dude. You really should.
That's what.
No, we're not. We're not
That's
going
what
to do that.
the
All the way to
good-
450.
The cool kids say, "Don't frown, just double down."
I'm just gonna let it move against me and then eventually go stop break even for a couple points.
What do I recommend for a first watch? 5 to 7K budget. Do you care about branding at all? The less you care about what brand it is, the better watch you'll get.
Yeah, I mean that's why I just bought a $20 Casio to start flexing on everybody. Actually, I
Not
did.
too much?
I literally did.
Honestly, at 5 to 7K, there's so many options.
Y'all don't know anything about these. Oops.
Where's that? Ooh, how long you had that for? Like 45 years?
About a week, and the actual logic is not only that I'm a big watch guy. My daughter's been grabbing my $600 Garmin Phoenix and throwing it, and I know those things are built to withstand a lot of activity, but I didn't want to have to buy a new Garmin Solar and spend $800 on it. So yeah, so now Daddy wears this sometimes.
Theo. I'm not sure how to say your whole handle. Theo something. I'm glad we can entertain. It's just jokes. We're just messing with each other. We don't actually hate each
Leo
other.
doesn't believe that. He's just kidding.
Yeah,
You can't
Tudor was
reach
always a
baby
really
in the
good
last 30
option.
minutes of the stream, Chris. No matter how hard you try.
Also, this trade is not dead.
It should be though.
It
But it
needs
should
to.
be.
The chat, since now not only are the three of you against me, but the chat is against me in this trade
It's a little
and
too
wants
crowded,
me to
huh?
get stopped out. So the market gods are making their will known.
It's a little too crowded, huh?
No, it's definitely not going to work out. I'm going to get absolutely stop break even on this. They're just trying to make it linger a little longer. Twist the knife.
There's no useless Santos. I mean, they have the mid-size versions that are like 35. They'll wear more like 38. So that's a good option too. I mean, 5 to 7K, that's a pretty big budget. You can get a lot of things, contrary to what you might see from the Furus on the internet. It actually is a pretty big budget.
Buy a lot of what watches?
Yeah, he says he's trying to get his first. He has got a 5 to 7K budget. You can get a lot.
Cartier.
Unk hat is lit.
Oh, thanks. I was doom scrolling TikTok and saw this. Had to buy it.
Big TikTok guy, huh?
Yeah, it's
Yeah,
pretty
if you
well
like the
known.
Santos, if the Santos is your first pick, like I think you should go for it. Yeah. Solid.
That thing's 10 grand.
Depends which one you get. And you don't have
Plus-
to go like brand new because they don't hold value. Like so if you get it like on a gray market, you'll save a couple grand.
Here we go. They're going to now stop XY at break even instead.
Ping
Yeah.
pong action. Ping pong.
I have dreams of forfeit. Oh, it's almost algo time. Mm,
Ping pong.
Let's see. Where's your stop, Nick?
Don't worry about my stop.
I have to.
Yeah, Jacob, you might just have to reconnect, disconnect, reconnect. That's happened to me from time to time.
I have a lot of watches in the 300 to 500 range. I mean, I think if you want to spend 500, nothing's going to beat the PRX from Tissot right now. I think, unless they've had other watches come to market. For some reason, pull stack is invisible. I don't know why that would be. Should probably check the setting. XY and Nick have set the market.
Yes. Apparently we have.
Yeah, PRX does have plastic. And apparently, like the movement isn't exactly replaceable either, or fixable. You just replace the whole thing.
You here?
See, look, there's some nice people in the chat. Thank you guys for this epic stream this afternoon. You're changing lives with the knowledge you share. Like the knowledge that previous day high is in fact the RTH high.
We're going to the fake one, guys. Take us up. Yeah, useless. Is that your first choice? Is the Santos? Yeah, I'd say go for it solid. That's a good watch.
Come on. It was 379.
We've got 3 minutes. All right, I'm trailing this up. Hopefully they could just break through. If not, I'll take the money.
Go back down.
Push it. Push it.
Where's gold at? Gold is still just
It.
pinned. They'll figure it out in Globex. Oh, they absorbed a lot in that last NQ push. That's good.
Yeah, I hate it. They're going to bring it like just close enough to my stop, then the algo's going to hit it. And then it's going to do whatever it does. I'm like starving right now. I want chips and salsa, boys. That sounds really good right now.
Dude, every time I go anywhere that has chips and salsa, I get full before the food even comes out because I just can't stop eating it.
It's the way it works.
As intended. They get me every damn time.
Chips and salsa is, the classic setup at Tex-Mex
Mm-hmm.
in the Midwest. You just sit down, boom, chips and salsa. You go anywhere else in the country, and it's like you have to order it. Like, what you go to somewhere else, and you're like, "Am I being scammed or what? Like, this
Right.
should be free." Right, Nick?
Over here, if
You
a
know what I'm
Mexican
talking about?
spot doesn't give you that, scam.
Yeah, it's 100% true. There's a
Yeah, I mean-
place near me. That's got a cigar bar and everything, but they serve butter, like warm butter, with their chips and salsa. They do a verde and a red, like a rojo salsa, and it's like melted butter that you put on the chip and then dip it in the warm salsa.
Oh, that
Yeah.
sounds good.
It actually is like amazing.
But like if you go to the East Coast and you go to a Mexican place on the East
Oh,
Coast, they're going
you
to
don't-
charge you for the whole thing.
You also don't do that though. You don't go to like any traditional Mexican kind of place
true.
on the
I'm
East
just saying,
Coast.
yeah, but like
Attention
if you were to
traders,
do it, you
It's
know,
algo time.
Like my little sister lives in Manhattan, and that's like her biggest thing. She's like, don't even bother trying any Mexican places in the city. They're either so expensive. There we go.
Boo.
a 10-point
I got
move got
trailed
you
out.
that excited?
Well, it looked like it was going to be more.
Boo. Maybe I need to
Well,
buy back that runner.
How many
Make
times
you
does it
really
need to
hungry if you
be-
got excited from that.
I'm fucking starving.
We know what Nick's doing after this.
Yeah, there's a oh, actually I have
He's
the,
door dashing it right now, actually.
I have the matches on my desk.
Tell us your setting for a delta bar. 50-point rotation and whatever compression allows you to see the numbers. There is no secret behind that.
That's true.
Literally none. If the range is bigger, my compression will be bigger. If the range is smaller, compression will be smaller. I just want to see the numbers and not too many of them while having the whole day's range on my chart. It's as simple as that.
How many times is this runner going to round trip me, basically break even to back to $1,000? Let's find out.
El Salvadorian on the East Coast. He knows what we're talking about.
But yes, I am also a much bigger fan of Mexican food in California than I am in Texas.
Dude, when you go to Mexican spots in California that do the chips and salsa, the salsa is always so good. Like
I
a
wanna go to-
Mexican plated sit down kind of deal.
Now I want to go back to Orange County and go to south of Nix. That sounds amazing. And yes, that is in fact a real restaurant.
Let me check on my porch time gold trade. Banger, dude. Banger.
I didn't say Tex-Mex isn't good. I just there's another layer to, like street tacos in Southern California, like breakfast burritos in Southern California. The fact that I can't order carne asada at just about any place here drives me insane.
Where?
In Texas.
Why not?
Like it's like one out of every 3 Mexican places will serve it.
What do they have instead? Like brisket?
Yeah, well, the brisket tacos are a big thing here. Yes, that is for sure, and they're good. They are very good.
You can't. Chopped brisket on tacos is unbeatable.
It is definitely one of my leftover brisket uses of choice.
You get some chopped brisket on a soft flour tortilla.
Flour?
with some
Not corn?
no.
Oh,
Nick.
you're definitely white.
Oh my! For sure. Are we really
Depends.
doing that right now?
I am an enjoyer of both, but it depends on what I'm making.
I'm also a corn tortilla enjoyer, but now that you're just gonna like turn this into a race thing, it's just that's crazy.
Absolutely it
That
is.
is absolutely insane.
Flour? Man.
Hit the
What are
like,
we
chat.
doing?
Chat, you guys know you like that. Hit the like.
Okay, well, don't finish the recipe. What else?
No, we're done. The conversation ended at
So just
I-
meat and flour, huh? Hot sauce too spicy?
No, I need to add a little
no.
a little jalapeno,
Okay,
a little
listen.
white
Okay,
onion
some-
to it.
some you got to make like a custom not coleslaw but like a lime
Mayo?
what
Somebody put mayo?
No,
no.
you need to rehydrate it a little bit, and I tend to rehydrate it with a little bit of tequila, a little bit of beer, lime juice, onion, and a couple other things that I've been playing
That
around
sounds
with.
pretty good too. Yeah, but a little salt, like a lemon-based slaw, like lime, some cilantro, slaw mix, and then some like chipotle slash like a chipotle mayo cream, I guess you would say.
A crema,
A
an
crema,
aioli,
an aioli,
all
an
these other
aioli.
fancy terms that they use now.
This
Which
is
is basically just
with some avocados, like sliced avocados. That is primo.
guys. No. I said this. I use flour tortillas for some things. I use corn tortillas usually for tacos.
Nick, that's how I rehydrate myself.
That is fair. Tequila and lime juice is a great rehydrator. No, but that's how when someone was asking me like weeks ago when I was making carne asada tacos, like tequila is in my marinade. Helps break down the muscle fibers in the stage too a little bit. Also, just gives it a distinct kind of taste in a good way.
Well, I hate you're short.
I mean,
And congrats.
it round tripped me $1,000 again. So
Congrats, and I hate it.
some meat and some ketchup. QQQQQ trader. No, please leave.
Meat and
There will never be marinating anything with ketchup on this show.
dude, meat and ketchup. I'm trying to imagine that right now. It's pretty disgusting. Does anyone eat
Flour
meat and
tortillas,
ketchup?
burritos, not tacos. Fair.
Colorado does have good Mexican food.
Oh yeah, pickled carrots and jalapenos.
Go.
Hell yeah.
I'm not a big pickled onion guy on my tacos.
No, you eat it on
I,
the side.
I just
we
am a
give it to you
very
on the side.
traditional. Like, give me just cilantro, lime juice,
Onions.
and white onion.
Yeah.
Like that's or like a good. I mean, I know you're adding tomatoes to that basically and jalapenos, but then just like a simple like pico, same kind of way, is always
And
what
sometimes pico's good. Sometimes not necessary. It really depends on the taco, yeah.
Yeah.
Sometimes I do like some pico. But if it's like street tacos, no way. Get that shit out of here.
I prefer. Yeah, agreed.
Mm. Yeah, pickled carrots, good.
Hey, dude, where's Robin? Chris, you guys fighting? Is there something we should know
Yeah,
about?
where is Robin? I've missed them.
Is it maybe he's jealous because you're on with like 3 other dudes?
You know.
Oh, damn it, I just did that. I was looking for the dang match thing of the Mexican place
Robin
that has
is-
the butter chips.
Robin is at PDH. Yeah, where's Robin? Hey.
What is the Robin
It's not like
inside
that.
joke?
It's not
What am I
like that. It's not
missing?
what it looks like, Robin.
I'm still
What am
trying
I
to take
missing here?
XY to this Mexican place here in LA.
Oh, don't say that. What if Robin's watching right now? What was it called? Wait, is it the one that's like hella like 2 hours drive or something?
Yeah, they're all far from you.
It's like WeHo or something like
It's
that,
in
right?
WeHo, yeah.
Oh my God. That's how you guys know Chris is fancy. He eating out in WeHo. Everything's at least like $500 out there.
Ooh.
I gotta send out a driver for XY for him to come out.
Robin respecting the restraining order.
I'm just covering this trade.
It's Robin. I thought Robin was a dude. I don't know.
I'm just over it.
Did you
I also
cover
don't
that
want to sit
finally?
here and manage this into the bell.
I am pretty shocked that we did not get a new high NQ.
Same here.
I
Maybe
am pretty
tomorrow
shocked.
for end of month.
How do you feel about King Taco, Chris?
Not a fan.
You don't like King Taco?
I
I
used
wouldn't
to.
call it like I wouldn't put it in like the top tier Mexican food category by any means, but I still think it's pretty good.
For like street sort of tacos, it's okay. I mean, it's
I think yeah, it's like a street Mexican, but it cannot compare to the actual street, like the trucks and all that stuff. No way.
Dude, I'll take you one in Santa Monica that'll just bomb on King Taco.
I mean, to be fair, I think every street taco place, truck, stall bombs on King Taco.
It's it appears that Jim apparently had so much fun on today's stream that he actually broke he broke his camera.
They dare have the four of us take the show out.
I don't think we'll be back ever again. I think
their problem.
That's the thing is like we won't be invited back, unfortunately.
Good thing we have Nick.
But Nick
Leo's
is
taking us
here,
out.
and Nick can go ahead and close us out.
Well, thank you all for joining us. This has been a lot of fun. Looks like we're going to close right on this high volume node here in NQ. So nobody wins. XY and I both had to cover our trades. I'm flat. Boys, it's been fun. We know where previous day high is, and it's lower. And I hope everyone enjoyed today's stream. I hope you all have a wonderful rest of your night. Be safe out there and be good to each other. Cheers.
Take care, guys.